I got a few requests about playing some adventure maps on Minecraft. So this is what I've done, and I'm on this world and there's heaps of chests. So I'm going to start off by reading the book's rules and scoring. Okay. Day 1. We set sail from Spain just moments ago, under the command of Captain Hernando Cortez, flying Spanish flags. We have set off for the New World. Our mission is to find the lost city of gold, El Dorado. Rules. Change game mode to survival. Check. Do not break anything unless instructed to you. Do not play on peaceful. Change it to normal later. Listen to the guides and the signs, have fun. No rules. Next page. There is cake in the last chest on the right. More information. You read me. Cake. Where? Scoring. Some in, some not. Diamonds, emerald, gold. Gold is worth 1. Okay, I get it. So, let's go up here and see what's up here. Let's see. Let's go full screen. So, let's have a look what's in that chest first. Locksmiths. So Cortez has lost his key again, eh? Sometimes he's clueless, but if you tell him I said that, he'll slit your throat. Here's the key. Which is obviously the level. And there is another chest over here from where we started. Quartermaster. Attention sailor, we have just set anchor in Harbour El Sol. You need to go talk to your first mate immediately. He is up at the ship's helm. He has something important to say to you. Also, you may talk to the other sailors as soon as you finish his order. It's on the helm. That's the front of the boat. Holy crap. This is one good looking map. You're kidding me. First mate. Sailor, glad you could make it. We are about to begin our journey to find El Dorado. But before we depart, we have to send a scout out first. We are waiting for his return. Talk to the crew if you please, and Quarters would also like to talk to you. Bunch of buttons. Which is obviously just a, fake. Alright. What's up here? Oops. I reckon there'll be chests up here. Jump. Thought so. Wow. This is one nice map. Let's keep going. But here. Nope. Look out. Hola, amigo. Welcome to the crew's nest. I can see everything from up here. In fact, there are some glowing spots along this harbour's floor. I wonder what they mean. Aha. It would be glowstone, nothing that's leading us to something. So I think we'll go check that out in just a second. Now this is the key to his room. So let's just Put it here or something. Yeah. Use it. As your captain, I demand you to give me your assistance. I have misplaced the key to my quarters and need you to go to the locksmith on middeck, and get another from him. Then I need you to fetch me some rare cocoa beans from my cabin. Go now. Check. Why can't I place this anywhere? Yes, that's a locksmith. Alright. So we basically start with this and this chest is useless, so let's get rid of it. And survival 2 or 1? That must be why I can place anything. We're on a non-existing level. Hey, 1 point. Paper. Map 2. Ooh. So rid of this. Fortune 4. You know what? I might end this video here, and then I'll continue with the next one. So, see you guys.